Lazy Susan cabinets have 4 side panels in total. The panel that has the groove on the top is the inner side panel. We will start the assembly with this panel. Place the inner side panel flat down, ensuring the side of the connector holes are facing upwards. Find the base panel with the Lazy Susan and attach it to its inner side panel. Find the outer side panel and attach it onto the base panel and inner side panel. Secure the panels together with the cam locks. Find the other inner side panel and attach it to the other side of the cabinet. Find the remaining outer side panel and attach it to the inner side panel and base panel together. Secure the panels together with the cam lock. Find 2 short kick plates and install them on the bottom of the cabinet. Secure the 2 kick plates together with screws if necessary. Find the 2 tension bars. Install the long one across the top of the cabinet. Secure the short one between the long tension bar and the outer side panel. Find the back panel and back tension bar. Slide the back panel into the groove and install the back tension bar like so. Lock all remaining cam locks and this completes the cabinet frame. Install the hinges on the side panel. Look for the pre-drilled holes for the exact location. Attach the foldable door to the hinges and screw them in place.